औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Myself Rizwana Batul, daughter of Mehboob Nawaz, assistant teacher, Government PU College, Mudhol, Sedam district, Gulbarga. I warmly welcome all dear students and respected viewers to this social science class by RB Creation. Dear student, in today's class we will learn about the geographical terms. Here are the highlights of today's class. The first one is plains. The second one is plateau. The third one is mountain. The fourth one is desert. And the next one is volcano. Sixth one is sea. The seventh one is coast. And the last one is lake. Now we will learn in detail. The first one is plain. The large area of flat land is called plains. The second one is plateau. A field that is located at a considerable height is called plateau. The third one is mountain. You can see the picture of mountain on your screen. Here is the definition. A mountain is a large natural rise of the earth's surface that has a peak. It is usually steeper and taller than a hill. Volcano. A volcano is a hole in the earth's surface through which magma, called lava, when it reaches earth's surface, hot gases, ash and rock fragments escape from deep inside the planet. The next one is desert. A desert is a region of land that is very dry because it receives low amount precipitation. In other words, we can say the vast area of sand is called desert. Where the water springs and the palm trees are found is called oasis. The sixth one is pass. Narrow path with high mountain on either side is called pass. You are seeing the picture of pass. Narrow path with high mountains in both sides. This is called path. The seventh one is lake. A lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. In other words, we can say vast pool of water is called lake. The last one is sea. You can see the picture of sea on your screen. The long wide body of water is called sea. A very large sea is called ocean. I hope all the students have understood. Please, dear student, stay in home, stay safe and maintain social distance and use masks. Thank you. Jazakallah.